हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के यूजीसी नेट के पेपर 3 के बारे में दिसंबर 2012 हु कैटेगराइज द यूजर स्टडीज इन ओ द फॉलोइंग into the following three categories: behavior studies, user studies, information flow studies by Menzel. Which one of the following not a virtual library, that is with distributed physical location? In 1974, Jurkowski used the first time which of the following term, that is information literacy, who defined to be information literature a person must be able to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate and use efficiently the needed information by IFLA. Which of the factor is not helping limiting the external validity, that is reactive effect? Semantic differential scale is concerned with selection from two opposite positions. In spiral of scientific method, the span of joints to descent is deductive phase. Which of the following variable cannot be expressed in a quantitative term, that is professional attitude? National Knowledge Network is to be implemented by National Information Center. Metadata doubling core refers to data elements in database. E-journals articles can be identified with the help of digital object identifier. Z39.50 is a standard for the search and retrieval services. In context modulation, PCM stands for pulse code modulation. ISO 9000 standard denotes to the total customer satisfaction. The stages in the product life cycle curve are introduction, growth, maturity and decline. The physical and chemical treatment of materials to retard their future deterioration refers to conservation. Read the following example and indicate the name of the indexing system used. Remuneration of teachers in French universities. That is university teachers remuneration, universities France teachers remuneration. Quick method. Research in automatic classification for information retrieval of term or cluster of terms is called as theory of clumps. As specified by AACR2, the resource of information for machine reliable data file is title frame. NICRIS is information system for crystallography. The national convention regularly organized by DELNET is known as NACNIT. Report on the development of digital libraries of the past decade is categorized as trend report. Name of the president of Sri Lanka can be found in the international who's who. Which of the following has stopped publishing in the print from since 2012, that is New Encyclopedia Britannica? Which of the following is not providing encyclopedia type of information, that is encyclopedia of association? Who use the phrase control access directional type sources? WA Cats. Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation was established by the Department of Culture from Government of India. Which state public library act has the provision to collect library fund through land tax? In Tamil Nadu. Association of College and Research Libraries is a division of American Library Association. Which of the following is not an implication of fourth law of library science, that is rural library service? Which one of the following is not a recommendation of National Knowledge Commission? So that is Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation to act as the national coordination agency. Digital library function incorporate the creating and capturing, storage and management and search and access. Which topology of computer network provides faster service access? That is ring network topology and star network topology. Which of the following are the ISDN services? That is teletext, voicemail and video conference. Vocabulary in a database is controlled by the thesaurus files and import files. CCF for bibliographic record refers to the data transfer, data storage and formatting of records. Which of the following are not reference services? That is preparation of user profile and initiation of freshman. Which of the following function are analyzed by ALA as reference service function? That is 1, 2 and 4. Consultation function, guidance function and bibliographic function. Which of the following are the scientist approach according to Melvin J. White? That is current approach, everyday approach and exhaustive approach. Magazines are suitable for the leisure and entertainment and popular information. Planting the virus Trojan horse in a computer network is tampering, description and intrusion. Which of the following are the fundamental conditions for a subject to be produced by IPR? That is, the work must be original, the work must be man-made and the work must be recorded and fixed. Which of the following are the problems of present information environment? That is, information indiscipline and information overload. Qualitative measures must be made quantifiable in order to be convincing. Reason, qualitative measures are a necessary complement to quantitative measures. A and are false. Each of the following are not partners of National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, that is IIT Bangalore and NIT Roorkee. Internet can replace libraries. Google searches will satisfy the maximum user need. Both are false. Federated search technique is an integral component of an information portal. Reason, content index contains content that is found by the search, that is found by the search server. A is false but R is true. A combination of hypertext and hypermedia contains text, images, sounds and other information. Reason, hypermedia information is represented in a linear fashion. Both are true. Book selection should be done judiciously. Reason, a library should acquire important and latest book selection tools. That is, both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. TQM promotes the way in which a library is organized and perform its ICT function. Reason, TQM is seen as a hindrance to library and information services. A is true, but R is false. The array of classes 11, 12, 13 and the array of classes 31, 32, 33 are said to be collateral arrays. Reason, they are delivered from the original universe O. A is true, but R is false. RDF supports the use and exchange of metadata on the web. Bibliographic standards are the means to create and disseminate secondary information. A is true, but R is false. Informative abstracts provide a concise summary of the subject content of an article. These are title oriented than finding oriented. Both are true. E-publications have added enormous quantity of literature but adversely affected the quality of literature. Present decades has accepted e-publication channels of fast communication. Both are true. Encyclopedias are not relevant for finding geographical information. Reason, encyclopedias are the substitute for all categories of reference sources. A is false but R is true. LIS profession is not considered at par with the medical and legal profession. There is no constitutional body for LIS professional like Medical Council and Bar Council of India. Both are true. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan has been called the father of library and information science in India. Library science education in India was started by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. A is true but R is false. The exclusive right conferred by intellectual property rights can be generally be transferred license to third parties. Reason, the creators want to make monetary benefit out of their intellectual products. Both are true. What is the correct sequence of the national libraries in the order of their year of the establishment? First, Library of Congress from Washington, then Lenin Library from Moscow, then British Library, then Bibliothèque Nationale. What is the correct order of Cornwell's 7-pillar model of the information skills? That is, first, recognize information need, then construct strategies for locating, then locate and access, and last compare and evaluate it. Identify the correct order as per the increasing data storage